Hi, I'm Andy. I'm with Smart Technologies, and we're here at the DBIA Expo to showcase latest integration between Smart Technologies, Smart Interactive Display, and Tekla BIMsight. What we've done is we've worked together with Tekla to create an integration between our two product families to dramatically enhance the collaboration of coordination reviews for the construction industry. So what I'm running here is I have the Tekla BIMsight, the latest version, running on a smart board. It's our 8070i model. I'm also running the Smart Freestorm Visual Collaboration Solution software, which allows me to toggle back and forth between my whiteboard, where I can take notes, and my desktop, where I'm running my BIM. So in Tekla BIMsight, let me just go to another model here. A core part of the integration was to include gestures as a means to navigate through the model. So now, with taking advantage of the smart touch recognition, with one finger I can orbit about the model, two fingers I can zoom in, and I can pan and get to a point where maybe I'm with my construction team and I want to review an issue we're having with the model. The integration also allows me to pick up the smartboard pen and make annotation redline markups directly into the BIM model, not as an overlay, but actually as part of the model. So now when I navigate through the model, the ink stays with my view. Because I'm running Freestorm collaboration software, I can also share this with remote users using another smartboard, a laptop, or an iPad, can take their ink and also make annotations directly into the model remotely. This is now part of the model, and the ink stays with the object that I've annotated on. That's a key part of the integration that Tekla BIMsight has done with Smart Technologies. Now that I have the view and the initial markup of the model, I can now add additional notes about it using the BIMsight note capability. By using the Smart Ink, I can handwrite my notes and inject them directly into the notes field. I just touch where I want the notes to go, and they're captured and taken right in. Another capability unique to this is that I don't have to make my markups, my notes, directly into the model itself, but I can take screen captures using Meeting Pro and do ad hoc notes in a whiteboard scenario. So let's say I want to go back to my main view of the structure, and I want to zoom in, and I'm looking at the footings now, and maybe I want to do some ad hoc notes on this. With my Smart Meeting Pro whiteboard capture, I just drag the area that I want to review, go back into my whiteboard, and now I have an image in my whiteboard that I can resize, move around, and most importantly, add additional detail. And I can add as many of these captures as I want, save this as a PDF, distribute it to the team members electronically. One thing that's really important to note is in my model, anything that I've added in with Smart Ink as a note stays with the model, as well as the markups that I've added. So I'm going to go back into my notes here. And let's say we want to look at a note that I made earlier about the model. I double tap in the notes area, tap on the note, and now I'm back to my previous model. I still can annotate, I can navigate, add additional comments in here, and that stays as part of the model. So the Smart Ink is now being embedded as part of the Tekla markup right into the model, and I still retain the ability to add additional notes on this side.